cinematographer Dabu Ratnani launched his annual calendar featuring Bollywood celebs like never before. Bollywood beauties like Priyanka Chopra, Sonakshi Sinha, Sufi Chaudhary, Vidya Balan were all praises for Dabu at the event.
मैंने हर साल डब्बू का कैलेंडर किया है और बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. Anything he comes up with something new every single time.
Excellent. I mean, I was mind blown completely. बहुत ही अच्छा calendar था and everyone is looking their best.
Dabu takes beautiful pictures. He makes people look the best they can, and I think these are a lot more about personality.
I really like the concept of Abhishek's picture, and I think it's a lovely one.
The Bachchan Parivar came in sans Big B. Abhishek and Aishwarya made a handsome couple and spoke about the calendar.
Dabu makes everything very easy. It was very easy. It was good fun.
Actually, Dabu is very, very fast, and I'm always the last one to be able to squeeze out time. Like we both were joking. This time I managed to finish it a day earlier than the last year, but it's still like literally like the last one to try and squeeze the shoot in. So, but then again, we always want to try and do something different within that little window. So try to kind of put this together and put some kind of a thematic idea to it. It makes it different from what we normally do.
I thought Arjun's is brilliant. Saifu's is very nice, so I like those two very much.
Hrithik, Shahrukh and Madhur Bhandarkar could not stop praising Dabu and his work.
I think he's achieved another level. I think the sex appeal quotient is like gone way up, and it's amazing because he's made each and every actor look his or her best.
The way he has got the different uniqueness, all the pictures, it's just amazing.
I haven't seen them all. If you allow me to see the rest of them, then I can. But they won't be a favorite. I like them all. I think Dabu is a fantastic photographer. He makes us all look good. At least he makes me look better than I am.
Finally, let's meet the man of the moment, Dabu Ratnani, and know more about his 2011 calendar.
I feel कि मैं 16-17 साल से हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री में and काफ़ी सारे शूट्स किए हैं. ये 12th कैलेंडर है हमारा and they trust me. They are happy to pose for my calendar क्योंकि only ये calendar में जो उनको मिलता है is a great shot, great satisfaction because it's not really any money involved. It's a very there's no commercials in this calendar. It's completely a non-commercial exercise. So basic idea is to keep them happy, keep them energy, keep them charged क्योंकि they also like to experiment. They also like to try new things. So overall I feel जो हमारा रैपो है, जो हमारा केमिस्ट्री है इतने सालों से और जो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर है, what they trust me with is what is showing in this calendar.
The calendar features Kajol, Priyanka, Hrithik, Aishwarya, Shahrukh and many more Bollywood celebrities in their utmost glamorous avatar.